Let's get a regular octagon drawn first of all. And then I'll label the points A, B, C. You have to go either clockwise or anti-clockwise and have them next to each other. But you've got some freedom. You could start with A at the bottom if you wanted. And then one of the vertices, C, D, E, F, G, H is picked. So I'm just going to put little circles on these. And then a line segment is connected from it to A, like so. And then one of the same points is picked and we connect it to B. We're interested in the probability that the octagon is cut into exactly 3 regions. So if we picked E to B, then we'd get our 3 regions, even F to B. But if we picked G to B, then actually here we get 4 regions. We've just got to work our way through this carefully, I think. And I decided to draw a sample space. So all the possibilities that I could connect to A to start with, C, D, E, F, G, H. And then the same, C, D, E, F, G, H down here. This one is connecting to B. Right, so first up then, let's connect C to A. Then if we connect C to B, we're just going to get 2 regions. D to B, and actually any of the other ones to B will lead to 4 regions. Okay, because they cross like that. And so actually, I'm just going to put little crosses. None of these would work. By the way, there's going to be 36 possibilities because there's 6 to connect to A and 6 to connect to B. And you can see like it's going to be 6 times 6. I'm going to write in here. Okay, so that one's out. What about if I connect D to A? Then C to B is just 2, but D to B, okay, I can do the same one twice, remember, would work, but E, F, G, H will end up crossing. So we've got one, that one's not okay, but that one is. One possibility so far. It's going to work our way around. So E to A, now E to B and D to B are possibilities, but C and the rest of them are not. Okay, if I go with F, then now G and H don't work, C still doesn't work, but D, E, and F will. Now it looks like we're just adding an extra tick every time, but let's just not jump to conclusions, just check it. So G to A, or G to B will be okay, so F to B, or E to B, or D to B. Okay, so that does check out. There's going to be 4 possibilities. But then finally with H to A, okay, this is a little bit different because when we do H to A, we don't actually create a region. So if I then do H to B, I don't get one, but nor do I if I do G to B or F to B or anything like that. So actually there's crosses here as well. It's kind of increasing by 1 every time except none for C or H. Add these up, we've got 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. That's going to be 10. So it's 10 over 36, which we can simplify to 5/18. That's slightly different, this question. Well done.